Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available gestures and motions on ZTE Blade A73. And to do this, first we'll need to open our settings. Then navigate to Features. And right here we should be able to find gesture and motion. Then first option is double tap to wake up your screen and double tap to make it go to sleep mode. Now let's try it out. So we need to double tap to wake up and then double tap again to lock it. Then there's three fingers swipe down for a screenshot. It goes like this. Next is raise to wake. When you activate it, you can lock your device and pick it up in a grip and it should wake up automatically. Next is auto answer. When you activate it and receive any call and pick up your phone to your ear, it should automatically answer that call. Then there's pick up the phone to lower ringtone volume. If you receive any call and pick up your phone, ringtone volume should be lowered. Pocket mode will reduce the chance of making anything with your phone when it's in your pocket. It basically just reduces the sensitivity of your screen when it detects that it's in your pocket. Snooze dismiss alarm. When you put your phone upside down when you receive any alarm, it will snooze it. Then there's a change to earpiece and it works almost the same way as the auto answer, but if you're using headphones. Then last one is shake to turn on flashlight, and basically we need to shake our phone like this, I guess. These gestures are always a bit tricky to make. Let's try it here. Okay, now it works. So just experiment with it. If it works for you, then it's fine. And that is all of the gestures and motions on this device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.